How to add a search bar on your Shopify store. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create, manage, and grow their online stores, in which it provides a user-friendly interface and a wide range of tools for selling products online, including customizable website templates, secure payment processing, inventory management, and marketing features. And Shopify also supports business of all sizes. And now to create an account, just click the Start Free Trial button on the top right. Then you will be directed in here after signing in on the homepage of Shopify, where you can start navigating on the left side panel some of the options. But to start adding here a search bar, you can start visiting firstly our online store. And to do that, kind of click this online store or visit here. By clicking this one, you will be directed on this page. And you should be able to see here that we already have here a search bar, but you cannot search it the product. So to start adding a search bar, just click this Add Apps button, and in this pop-up window, just click Shopify App Store. Upon doing so, you'll be directed on this App Store. And just go to the search bar and can search for the Smart Search. So this is basically the application that we're going to install. And below it will show you a variety of results. And just click this one. Upon clicking on it, it will show you in here the overview of this Smart Search and Filter, in which it offers a free trial. Below here, it will show you that you could also improve your site conversion rates with advanced AI-powered search and collection filters using this application. And below it will show you also some of the plan that they offer. And now to proceed installing it, just click the install button in here to proceed. And upon doing so, you'll automatically be directed on this page. And just click the install button below to proceed installing this Smart Search and Filter. And after that, you'll automatically be directed on the page in here. And simply proceed by entering here the password of your store and click the next button below here to proceed, in which you need to fill out this part in order to start setting up your account. You could also select here the theme to install, and I'm going to select here my current theme. But you could also duplicate your theme as been suggested or recommended in here before moving forward with the installation. And after that, just click the button below, or you could also duplicate your website or theme by clicking this one right here. Or you will be directed on the next tab, and it will show you how you can start duplicating your theme on Shopify, which will be helpful if you want to create a new kind of theme without customizing your live theme in here. And now to proceed, you can simply click the preview button, and it will show you this is now our store currently that has been edited. And if you try to click the search bar on the top right, you should be able to see here or search firstly the product that we just sell in our store. And as you can see, I only have here one product. So you can simply click on it or to start searching on it, in which that is basically the main purpose of search bar in here. And after that, you could also start customizing some other things by going back in this Smart Search and Filter, including to change the theme integration, the manage filters, search, internal preview, and many more. And you could also track here some other kind of data analytics. You have here total queries, total visitors in your online stores. You could also navigate here number of clicks, total add to cart, orders, and any other kind of analytics or data that might help you to see where the traffic is coming from. But as you can see, we've now successfully created the search bar in here in our online store using this application Smart Search and Filter, in which the main purpose of this search bar on Shopify store is to simply help customers quickly and easily find specific products or content within the store. And now overall, that is just basically how you can add search bar on your Shopify store.